Hello, this is your online baking coach. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to design your cake toppers with your phone using an app called Canva. So this Canva you're seeing here, so I'm going to click on it right away. Canva is a design app that has a free version and the paid version. So you can use it for free, but you need your data connection. So I've clicked on it. I'll allow it to load. So after loading, so we're going to use our template. So we're going to use the Instagram post square template. So you click on it. So after clicking on it, you have to wait for it to load. Let it load. So your internet connection must be very sharp. Yes. So once it's loaded, Instagram will give you a lot of templates, a whole lot of templates, depending on what you want to create. But we're not creating anything, but you just want to design a birthday topper. So we're going to click on the create blank. So I'm going to allow it to load. After then, sorry, excuse me. So after then, Canva will still give you a lot of template depending on what you want to do. So we are just going to go to element. Just click on this element right here. So this is the element. We want to design a birthday topper. So at this search element, you can search for anything at all that you want to do. You can search for wedding anniversary. You can search for convocation, graduation, etc. But we want to design a birthday topper. So you can just click on birthday or birthday apps. It is there before because I have typed it in before. So I just click on the birthday app, birthday arts rather. So it will give you different type, different option. You can see birthday cake, birthday balloons, cake, etc. So we want to design. So you can just click on this. You can scroll. So while scrolling, you are going to see the free version, paid version, different types of option that you can actually choose from. So you want to design the birthday art. That's what we are looking for. So network sometimes will want to fuck you up, but you have to be patient. So birthday art, to bring the birthday art. So birthday art. So you can just click on this one. Can see, so this is just like an animated birthday art. If you are conversant with using toppers now, as a cake designer, you see that this color is common. It is common. It looks like just the regular ones you used to do. So as it is now, you can just download it straight off and take it to the printing shop for them to print it for you. They'll print it for you on art card if you want to use it for topper, or if you want to use it for stickers to they know the type of card they are going to print it out for you. So this is just beautiful. This is beautiful. So you can just click on this up arrow here and download it. So your cake topper is ready. So click on this download here. So it's going to download it for you. So it has suggested MP4 because it is animated, but you can still download it and print it out as non-animated stuff. So we are going to design from scratch. Let's design our own by ourselves. So we are going to delete this and click on the plus button. So we are going to go to text. That is the essence of designing yourself, for you to be creative with it. So we are going to go to add a heading. What do you want to type there? Just going to type happy birthday sweetheart. can see for the sweetheart. So you just go here, increase the font size as you like. You can see. So you can change the color and change it to any type of color that you want. You can choose the yellow color, you can choose the gold color. You can even type in the color that you want. For instance, if you depending on the color of your icing, you can type anything. It's going to bring it out for you. It's going to bring it out the color for you. You can just click on this one, happy birthday sweetheart. Increase the font size. Yeah, you can see. Can also change the font. This is font here. Just click on it and change it to font. Change font. Yeah, I can see April fat face. Different types of fonts as you like. So it's not compulsory you do the regular. Try to be creative. Try to do something different. Let them ask where you get your cake toppers. They won't know that you designed it yourself. So different types of fonts here. And if you also know of any type of font, you can also just type in there. Type it in the search bar. It's going to bring it out for you. It's going to bring it out for you. So the regular type of font that is mostly used for birthday toppers. Now you can just type in cursive. Cursive is a type of font. Bring it out for you. You can see different types of script, different types of cursive. Just keep scrolling, keep checking beautiful fonts that you can use. Look at this one. Just keep scrolling, do something different. You can see, you can also see different types of fonts. You can change the color. You can use different types of fonts like that. You can change the color. Let me change the color to something you can see very well. Let me use blue so you can see it very well. Happy birthday so that you can see it. You can also go to this bold format. Okay, this does not have bolding effect. Different types of font. So in the search bar here also, you can search. You can search for different types of fonts. You can search for, let me see. I know a type of font that is called Montana. So just search for it. Okay. You can see happy birthday sweetheart. Okay. Let us search for what we're going to just choose one that we're going to use for the purpose of this video. Let's see. Yeah, look at this for instance. Well, let's use this one. Yeah, see, look at this for instance. This is beautiful. So let's change the font color. It doesn't matter the size. Once you get to the printing shop, they can print it out at any size that you want. Any size that you want at all. Just tell them they'll print it out for you. And you can also add some more element. Just go to element. Just go to elements. You can get creative with it. You can add any type of element. Let's search for balloons. Let's search for balloons. Let's search for balloons. Birthday balloons. Yes, you can see Canva will even bring out suggestions for you. To bring suggestions for you. You can see this one is free. Oh, this one is pro. This one is free. You can see, yeah. And just place it by the side here. Just move it here. and place it by the side. You can see, get creative with it. Get creative with it. Place it by the side here like this. Like this, like this. You can also duplicate and place it by the second side here like this. So this should go to, just click on the position here to back, to go to the back of the font like that. So you can see, yeah, isn't this beautiful? So place it here. So it is easy to navigate. It is something that you can do. Happy birthday, sweetheart, with the balloons. Let's try to make it equal. Yeah, so here we go. So that what you have to do is just to click on this up arrow here, and it's going to download directly into your phone's memory, and your cake topper is ready. Just go ahead and print it out. Your cake topper is ready. So you can use this, you can design for people, you can design and sell, you can decide to design yourself. So it is ready. Yeah. So once you go to your phone's memory, go to photos, you are going to see it in your phone's memory. So this is Canva. Yeah, this is happy birthday, sweetheart, and this is one I designed previously. You can see that you can get creative with it. Okay, see you again in my next video. Bye bye.